Hey, how you doing? Justin back with you again for a lesson all about anchor fingers. Now, I kind of touched on it there when I was talking about the A chord, in that the first finger is in the same fret for both our A chord and a D chord. And whenever we're changing chords and we can keep a finger either on the same fret or on the same string at least, we can refer to it as an anchor finger, and it makes changing chords a lot easier. So the common kind of progression for beginners is the first thing, the first hurdle that you have to overcome is the finger pain. Okay, it's going to hurt a little bit. Probably most of the first lesson you're just more worried about the finger pain than anything else. The very next thing, the next problem, is changing between the chords fast enough. Okay, that becomes the next obstacle, and that's something that we're going to work on again in this lesson. The anchor fingers thing is one of the ingredients that'll help you learn to make your changes really fast and really smooth. So let's have a little bit of a close-up look at the anchor finger that we can use today for the change between the A chord and the D chord. So let's start off with our D chord. We've got the fingers in position. Now, I'm not pressing hard. I've got them in the right place. But if I strummed right now, I'm not even getting a sound out of that chord, okay? I'm not trying to press the fingers down. I'm just trying to get them in the right position. Again, we've got enough time we're going to spend pressing down our soft fingers on the hard metal strings. We want to do any practice that we can where we're practicing just pressing the fingers really lightly. And practicing this chord change, the anchor finger, we don't need to press hard. Okay, makes it even, in fact, a little harder. It's easier if you keep your fingers nice and relaxed. So try and get your fingers in position. First finger, second finger, third finger. Now to move to the A chord, we leave first finger down and we lift second and third fingers up. We need to slide first finger back just a little bit, and then we're going to put down the second finger and put down the third finger, and we've got our A chord. We're not even going to worry about strumming it when we're working on our anchor finger practice. We're just going to leave first finger down and lift second and third fingers back up, slide the first finger forward a bit, put down second finger and third finger. Again, we're not pressing hard. Lift off second and third finger, slide the first finger back a bit, second finger, third finger. That's our A chord. Second and third finger off, leave first finger down, slide it up a bit, second finger, third finger. Off, slide it back, put them down. Off, slide them forward, put them down. This is the anchor finger practice. Literally doing this. You don't have to worry about strumming the chord. You don't have to worry about any of that other stuff. We're just trying to develop a kind of a fluid movement between the two chords using our anchor finger to help guide where the other fingers go. Now, eventually, you'll find that the fingers can find their own way there pretty easily, but that takes a little bit of practice beyond the anchor finger into a thing I call the 1-minute changes.